iPhone 7 to 7 Plus Audio IC. Safety repair. Today we will repair audio IC of iPhone 7. And how to safely fix with less risk to the BBIC. We all know that fixing audio IC on iPhone 7 to 7 Plus is a little bit risky because underneath is BB. BB means the baseband IC. Listen carefully and pay attention. And follow the procedure. First, let's find some clue. When you call someone on phone, take a look at the loudspeaker logo. You cannot use it or even touch it. And it's not even highlighted, unlike the other logo. Dismantle, and let's start. When you open this cover, do not open too much, as it helps the IC endure the heat. Now I'll show you the technique. I put metal on the area, and I put another one on the other side. I hope you all know about the heatsink. If not, I will upload another video for that. These two pieces of metal are heat conductors. When you put heat on the board, the heat travels. It travels to the metal or any conductor. In that situation, we can reduce the heat under that IC. As you can see, the blue color mat is also in conductor. It is in heating pad. And yes, it helps too. Observe when I put liquid on metal and compare it to the NAND IC. You can see the difference. Look at the logo, it's working now. And the baseband is okay also. We can still call baseband is safe. Click subscribe button to support the channel and to upload more informative videos.